We we rolling up right now, about to go out. We in Houston.
Gonna turn up. Y'all gonna do it.
We don't even know how to twerk.
Damn, it's crazy. How you don't know how to twerk?
Did they hear about the
I
plane?
don't have no
Hmm.
ass like that.
About the plane.
Did they hear about the plane?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, y'all heard about the plane?
The plane?
The plane.
No.
What's the plane? Tell them the plane.
My nigga selling shit. He ain't gonna eat low on funds.
So,
Low on funds. How he low on funds? Ain't he supposed to be rich?
Shit, I don't know what happened,
I
but
blew that shit, man. You know how I be when nigga get some money.
You
yeah.
better sell
So
some of them chains.
now, so he trying to sell you. You know, he trying to sell it to you.
He could sell me a chain.
Now, you know what he's trying to sell you.
Oh, he
Give me
trying to
a
sell me his dick?
D.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
C
Can I
Tell her
K.
how much you want
can
for
I
that
just
shit.
take it?
No, he gotta get paid.
Look, hey, I got the best plan ever. For 3,000 a month, you get unlimited dick for 30 days. You pay for travel expenses, food, water, shelter, and all that. You get 30 days. But we got this other plan. We got this other plan where you get 5,000. You get two dicks for a month, 30 days, unlimited dick. And that's the bundle. That's the bundle. So we're gonna use a bundle. Like if you pay seven, you're gonna be paying about
I
10
don't want the
bands. So, but
bundle.
if you get it together, we'll do
I
your
don't want the
$5,000
bundle.
one charge up surcharge.
I don't want the
Send me your
bundle.
email so I can see the invoice.
All right, I'm gonna give you an email.
Huh?
I'll give you my email in your DMs.
No, just send a number.
Send me your card number. We can just swipe the shit right now and get it over with.
I'm fucking dead.
Send that number though. We dead
Funny as
serious.
fuck,
Hey, but
bro.
no cap though.
5 bands up front.
And it might come with a pound of smoke on.
Yeah.
Let me go.
You can send 48 first week. You can send 48. Last
48.
200 on me.
You hear me? You heard me?
No.
I'm gonna give you a
She
deal.
said no.
I'm gonna give you 200 on it. Just because I want you to do it so bad.
I'm too dead.
You gonna give 200 on it.
I like the first package deal.
What, the $5,000?
No, I don't want the double.
So you don't want two dicks?
No.
What you want one? That
What?
what you saying?
Yeah, that one.
She ain't want the gang bang.
So you ain't want the game bang money. You, you ain't want the Jerry Rice package.
That's too much.
You gotta send that bacon up front then.
I bet. So I'm gonna do you the 3,500 package.
All right, whatever you say.
So what you gonna do?
I'm gonna send you my number so you can send it to
It
me.
don't matter.
No, so you cap. So you lying to me.
No matter how much you want to give.
He said it don't matter how much he said it don't matter how much you seen, he walking in. The game bang bundle, man.
Yes, sir. It's gonna be the gang bang anywhere it goes.
I don't care how much you seen, I'm walking in. The gang bang bundle. No cap. She don't want the gang bang bundle. Man, y'all funny as hell, come.
You thirsty fuck. Oh.
Oh, what the fuck? Gotta keep sticking me.
You want your deal?
This is hard.
What that is?
I'm weak as fuck.
What that is? Exotic.
Yo, he really went. What's good?
What's up?
Not.
What's up?
Where you at?
I can't even see you. I ain't gonna lie. Pop the
You
camera up
what?
for me. Pop the
Can't
camera
hear
up.
you. I'm in DC.
I ain't asked where you were. I said prop the camera up.
Your neck broke down.
No, you ain't saying nothing.
Your neck broke?
Hell yeah.
What happened? How you do that?
I got a car wreck.
You straight?
Hell nah, man. Somebody fucked up my shit.
I ain't knock your ass off, did it?
Hell yeah, I got whiplash like a motherfucker.
Let me see your ass. Let me make sure that I ain't knock it out.
I ain't got nothing. Go on my page.
You ain't got none? They knocked this shit out. Got her ass knocked off, ain't it?
I ain't some in the comments. I can't read all this shit.
Nah,
Plus, she needs safe to him. Oh, mom.
Who you got that shit from? You bullshit. That shit taste like cologne.
my brother right there, shit like that.
But yo,
You ain't taste that shit? Like,
but
that shit
that
taste
one
like
bullet.
cologne.
That shit wasn't hitting. I ain't gonna taste it.
Damn, you got that from 175 pack.
Damn. He sprayed that shit with a cologne.
Was smoking some creep. No, weed, some creep.
Everybody let the voice come out. Somebody smoke creep.
They need the creep.
Oh, man. No, weed, some creep. I ain't want to pull it. I do I paid that was been making me mad. I thought it was a meat tripping or something. It's like a roll purple though.
Yeah, that was roll purple.
Look at me sleeping.
Red glass. She got out there. This roll purple. Which one you rolled that in? Oh, no. You ain't roll the right shit. You gotta roll these. It's pearls. You can see the nine big hoe.
After this one, the gang bang package.
Yeah. That's all we give. Okay, fast, dude.
Other T?
Hmm.
It wasn't none.
Lies.
That's what this one, the gang bang package.
Which one? Dunda. Bill Dunda. Shit.
Yeah. Oh, there y'all go again. Bitch, put them y'all. God.
No, it's wrong.
Oh, no. Hey, hey. Tell them we came all the way from Asmobile. Put it back on this one.
Y'all might well pull up on me.
Man, I pulled up in LA on New Year's. Then nigga ain't come to the club.
Lies.
Hey,
To the same
Lies.
girl.
You
fuck yeah,
capping.
nigga. I want half of my tip in, baby. Shit.
Lies.
Damn, they did. They
I came
y'all
all
is
the way to LA to see you, nigga. Shit, I came to $1 million party. Like, what?
We were busy.
Yeah.
man, they back.
You probably weren't worth enough then.
Ooh. You said what? What?
You heard it.
No, what you say?
You heard it, bitch.
There you go.
You heard me, big bitch. Reading in a week, bitch. I ain't gonna repeat, bitch. Reading in a week.
Reading in a week.
I ain't gonna repeat.
I ain't gonna repeat. Reading in a week. I ain't gonna repeat. Lies. Huh?
Alabama. Drive.
Mm-hmm. You don't even let a nigga press it.
They be saying 40 some people, but they don't even be showing 40.
Oh God.
She be making me mad like a motherfucker. Maybe you should request a motherfucker you don't even follow.
Man, we out of here.